Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing the recipe of the Thai fried garlic chicken, crispy and juicy chicken pieces flavored with garlic and coriander. To begin, take 250 grams of boneless chicken breasts, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Coarsely blend 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 5 tablespoons of chopped coriander stems. To marinate the chicken, add the coarsely ground paste, then crushed black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and keep aside to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Mix together 1 cup corn flour and half a cup rice flour for dredging in a large bowl. Season it with a teaspoon of salt. Add in the marinated chicken. And mix until the pieces are well coated. Dust off the excess flour. Heat oil for deep frying. Fry the chicken pieces on medium heat until cooked and golden brown. The Thai fried garlic chicken is ready to serve. Garnish with fried garlic and chopped green coriander leaves. Serve hot with red chili sauce. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.